சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. சப்ஸ்கே சேனலுக்கு லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. ஓகேவா?
ஃபீட்டல் டெவலப்மெண்ட் அப்படின்னா கருவளர்ச்சி. ஒரு தாயின் கருவறையில் அந்த கரு எப்படியெல்லாம் வளர்ச்சி அடையும் அண்ட் அந்த 9 months ஆஃப் ப்ரெக்னென்சியில் அந்த கரு எப்படியெல்லாம் க்ரோ ஆகும், மெச்சூர் ஆகும் அப்படின்றத நம்ம இந்த வீடியோவில் பார்க்கலாம். The pregnancy is divided into 3 stages called trimesters. First trimester 0 to 13 weeks. Second trimester 14 to 26 weeks. Third trimester 27 to 40 weeks. First trimester is the most crucial to your baby's development. During this period, your baby's body structure and organ system develops. During this period, you may cause some symptoms including nausea, fatigue, and frequent urination. Second trimester is often called the golden period because many of the unpleasant effects of early pregnancy disappears. During this period, you may experience decreased nausea, better sleep, and increased energy level. You will experience these symptoms such as back pain, abdominal pain, heartburn, etc. And between 16 weeks and 20 weeks, you may feel your baby's first fluttering moments. Third trimester is the final stretch of pregnancy and are probably very excited and anxious for the birth of baby. There will be some symptoms like shortness of breath, urinary incontinence, varicose veins, and sleeping problem. In first month of pregnancy, baby is an embryo consisting of 2 layers of cells from which all the organs and body parts will develop. In second month of pregnancy, baby is now about the size of a kidney bean and is constantly moving. It has distinct, slightly webbed fingers. In third month of pregnancy, baby is around 7 cm to 8 cm long and weighs about same as half a banana. Her tiny, unique fingerprints are now in place. In fourth month of pregnancy, baby is now about 13 cm, 5.5 inches long and weighs 140 gram. His skeleton is starting to harden from rubbery cartilage.
Month 5. You may begin to feel your baby move since yours is developing muscle and exercising them. This first moment is called quickening. The baby's skin is covered with a whitish coating called wernicke caseosa. This cheesy substance is thought to protect baby's skin from the long exposure to the amniotic fluid. This coating is shed just before birth. Month 6. Your baby's skin is reddish in color, wrinkled, and veins are visible through the baby translucent skin. Baby's finger and toe prints are visible. The eyelids begin to part and the eyes open. Baby responds to sound by moving or increasing the pulse. You may notice jerking motion if baby hiccups. Month 7. In month 7, your baby is more than 40 cm long. She or he can open and close her eyes and probably see what's around her. Month 8. In month 8, your baby will continue to mature and develop reserve of body fat. You may notice that your baby is kicking more. Baby's brain is fully developed at this time and your baby can see and hear. Most internal systems are well developed, but the lungs may still be immature. Your baby is about 18 inches long and weighs as much as 5 pounds. Month 9. Your baby continues to grow and mature. The lungs are nearly fully developed. Your baby reflexes are coordinated so he or she can blink, close the eyes, turn the head, grasp firmly, and respond to sound, light, and touch. Baby is definitely ready to enter the world. You may notice that your baby moves less due to tight space. Your baby position changed to prepare itself for labor and delivery.